Hey Zach, I pulled up my 401k statement and I notice I have some mutual funds in there, but I'm trying to understand better what is a mutual fund. Hey Ted, that's a great question. A mutual fund is nothing more than a company that takes a pool of investors' money and invests it according to their prospectus. The prospectus outlines what they're supposed to do with the money. Now, mutual funds can be stocks or they can be bonds, fixed income. And then what you want to look at too is not only the prospectus and find out what they're investing in and what segment of the market, but you also want to look at their expense ratio. Their expense ratio is what they charge you each year for running that fund. And that's important because over time that can really add up. So if you go back to your 401k, log in, go to that mutual fund that you were looking at, you should be able to click on a prospectus, pull up their prospectus, and look for their expense ratio. Their expense ratio is how much they're charging each month. Also in that prospectus is they're going to give you a high-level description of exactly what they do with the money and what sectors of the market they invest in, whether it's bonds or stock. And what I like to do is I look at my 401k and I look at how much money I have in each fund and I look at the expense ratio, because if those are too high, I can always look for similar funds in my 401k with a lower expense ratio. In essence, that's saving me money. Thanks, Zach. I'm just trying to understand my investments a little better and get a better grasp of just exactly what I'm doing with my 401k and my money. I really appreciate that, and that's why I follow Zach's Financial Chat.